Here is a problem that a couple of our viewers have had when pouring their concrete driveways, walkways, and patios in sections. And you're not going to have this problem if you're just going to pour a small slab. It's not going to connect to anything. However, if it is going to connect to something, and you just go ahead and form a small section, pour it, reuse the form boards, move them over, pour another section, reuse the form boards to pour your next section, and so on, then you might or might not end up with this problem here. And that would be a variation or difference in the height between your existing and your new concrete. And something like this won't be a problem if you can raise the form boards and create a small, gentle slope between the new section of concrete you poured and the existing section of concrete that you're not going to be able to raise or lower. However, this isn't going to be you because you're watching this video. You are going to form the entire section and find any problems that you have before and not while you're working on the project. And I do understand that we're looking at a section that you're thinking, hey, wait a minute, this shouldn't be a problem. However, that wouldn't be the case if you were trying to connect the driveway. You're trying to get a nice slope going all the way to the street without needing to slope it off to the side or set up some type of a site drainage system, something that require even more money than my original suggestion of forming the entire project before you pour it in sections. And again, sometimes by forming the entire project, you're going to be able to solve a problem you can't see until you've actually put some of the pieces of the puzzle together.